Good morning, team. I thought I would take a minute and show you guys how to access your notes on Schoology, okay? Or your messaging on Schoology. So you go to your homepage, all right, your Schoology homepage. You can just select this and you can see all the updates for your classes. You can see, I guess, due dates and stuff like that on this side. But if you go here, this is where your messages are, and you want to select this option. Okay, and then this drop down will show this will be any messages you've received if you got some from teachers, and you can just select new message. So if you've gotten a new this is where you could type it in, and you could type the name of anyone in your network should show up here. So let's say I want to send a message to John Smith. Look, all these Smiths show up, and you just select the Smith you want to send one to. So you can send a message to me, you can send a message to your classmates. I'm going to encourage this week that that's something you guys work on, is reach out to your teacher or reach out to a classmate. Okay, bye guys. Hope you have a good one.